Yo, what's up guys? Today I'm gonna be fishing down here at a really dirty pond. Right here. I used to drop my line straight down here and fish used to take it under the bridge, which there was like a little cavity where the concrete wasn't so good, and they just take it and I'd pull them straight up and then I just yank them all the way up here. Yeah, really dirty. But over there you can see how it's kind of clear. And it's all backed up with flood water. All backed up with flood water. But this thing, it goes all the way down there. All the way down that way. Well, you can see right here, there's a bunch of clean water. Yeah, there's a bunch of minnows right here. And every time I come down here to fish, even during the winter, the fish are pretty good. Oh yeah, there's fish down there. Oh yeah, 100%, I'm gonna catch one. I'm using a fill, so that whenever it goes down, it just pulls it under and just drags it wherever. It's a special type of bobber. It sits in the water like this while your weight is down there. So whenever a fish takes it, let's say it goes down, then it pulls it like that. And then it always has the orange part up. So let's say a deep sea fishing, or no, not deep sea fishing. Let's say you've got like fishing in a lake or something and you want to see if your bobber's down, but it's not that visible. Then if this goes down under the water, then you won't see the orange tip, which makes it super visible and really easy to use. And I'm using this really, really tiny itty bitty hook. Yeah, there's tons of fish down there. And it's super overgrown. Like, somebody comes out here and cuts all of this right here and all of it all along, and then they do this like once a year. That's the time of year that I'm actually able to go down there without, worrying about chiggers or worrying about anything that's gonna bite me. I brought ham and chicken liver. Really good stuff. Really good stuff for fishing. Actually, anything organic or like meat or anything is actually good for this. I'm gonna use a piece of the ham that I brought. Get a tiny little bitty piece on my rod. Yeah, and these fish are real annoying. Like, they'll just take my bait constantly, one after another after another. Yeah, it gets really annoying after a while. Yeah. Down there. You see my bait going down. Wait. Yeah, right there. Come on, take it, take it. Oh yeah, first fish of the day. First fishy. Pulled it straight out of the water. It's a nice little fishy, ain't it? Oh no. Yeah, that's the only downside of this type of bobber. It makes it really easy to get it tangled. Got my first fish right there. Yeah, that was a nice catch. What it's supposed to do is push down all the spines on its back so that it can't spike you. It really hurts when you get spiked. Little fishy, let's go. Alright, we still got the piece of ham on it. Nice. What time is it? It's 3:23. Alright, I guess I'm gonna be fishing for about 30 minutes. Uncut video for raw happiness or something, I don't know. I really need to word that differently. Yeah, let's go in this little corner right there. Oh no, that's gonna be pulled under. Oh yeah, right there. Just pull it straight up. Yay! Oh, this one's a pretty one. This one's pretty. It's all turquoise and orange. Oh, that's really pretty. I'll tell you what, I haven't caught one of those in a while. It's smaller than the last, but it's super pretty. It's really nice colors. I actually wanted to keep one of these one time in a fish tank, but it just got too big. That was a nice hook. This tiny hook is really working nicely. Right. Oh, he got it in there. Oh, there we go. Bye-bye, little fishy. Oh. Good day. Good day. I'm gonna throw in this little thing for them. There it goes. Oh, they just devoured that. That thing is